Okay, so the alarm went off this morning, and as it went into crescendo mode, I must have hit the wrong button. Should have hit this power button here, but I was waking up, so please forgive me that I hit this button here. Okay, which is like the Bluetooth button, the pairing button. So now, when I want to turn the radio on, which is this button right here, there's no other radio button, I promise. Trust me, I've tried. I will push the radio button because I want to hear the radio. Turn on the radio, please. Oh no. It still thinks I'm trying to pair. I'm not trying to pair. I want to hear the radio. And now there is no way to tell this device I want to hear the radio. Let me show you that I can unplug the stupid thing. Let me turn the power off for a second here. Okay, I'm gonna plug it. Wait a second. Plug it back in. It's gonna reset, which is great. Do like that function. I like that very much. Okay, so now I should be able to turn the radio back on, right? Because I want to hear the radio. Nope. It still thinks I'm trying to pair. So this is an extremely annoying function for someone who just wants